Can we reduce the output power of an amplifier by reducing the power supply voltage? That's one of the comment I received on one of my video. So by reducing the voltage also you can reduce the output power, but that's not only the way to reduce the wattage. Why we need to reduce the output power of an amplifier? What's the reason? What's the need? This is a 100 plus 100 stereo amplifier. So if we assembled an amplifier using this, we will get 100 watts of power output at a desired signal and a desired power supply, right? So if in case you are running this amplifier at a 50 watts speakers, okay, it's all right. You can reduce the volume and set up at a level that's not risky, that's not dangerous to the speakers, right? But if in case if somebody or accidentally if you increased the volume, what will happen? The speakers may blow out, right? So to keep the amplifier at a reduced wattage only, you need to reduce the total output power. So such cases only you need to reduce the power supply to reduce the output power. Reducing the input voltage or the supply voltage is expensive, risky, hard. You think about it, how much effort you need to reduce the supply voltage. If this is the transformer and or if you are using any SMPS, how can you reduce the supply? You need to change the supply, whatever it is, or you need to do something else, like what to do. I don't know how to reduce the power supply voltage without any expense. I don't know. You can reduce the input voltage or do something like that to reduce the supply without or with less expense, right? But that's not not one of the practical way. The right and practical way must be reducing the gain, the input gain of the signal or the signal level from the output stage to the power amplifier. That must be the simplest and the right way. So that was one of the comment I told you I received on one of my other video on other channel. That was a simple question and the answer is also that simple, but this is not simple way, this is the hardest way or the expensive way. So make it simple, make everything simple. That's my choice. So if you feel like this video is informative, then please like the video, subscribe to get more informative videos when I upload. Thank you for watching.